Hello, this is Mike with Hug Software, and in this video we're going to go over installing both the HQ system and HQ agent Python eggs on the Linux platform. I have already taken the opportunity and downloaded both the HQ system and HQ agent 1.0 Python eggs and their corresponding zip files. The platform I'm running on today is Ubuntu 10.04, which comes with Python 2.6. Additionally, you'll be required to install the Python setup tools in order to install these egg files. Since I am running on Ubuntu, I'm going to want to open up a terminal and type the following command to install setup tools. Sudo space apt-get space install space python-setup tools. You could also use the Synaptic Package Manager and simply search for python-setup tools. Once installed, cd to the directory in the terminal window in which you downloaded the egg files. Now just simply type sudo space easy underscore install space hq system -1.0 -py 2.6.egg. Now the HQ system is installed on your machine. Let's install the HQ agent. Type sudo space easy underscore install space HQ agent -1.0 -py 2.6.egg. Now the HQ agent is installed in this machine. All that's left now is to configure and start the components. To configure the controller, you first need to unzip the controller.zip. Once unzipped, cd to the folder in which the files were unzipped to. In my case, it would be called controller. And simply type hq install space sked sched.conf conf. It will ask me if I'd like to install this configuration file into my HQ system. This configuration file includes my license. I will click yes. And it'll ask me to describe what kind of database I'll be using. If you're using Microsoft SQL or MySQL, please have your database configured beforehand, and HQ install will ask you how to access those databases. I'll be using SQLite, so I will simply use option 1. And for my path, or my database name, I'll use HuxDB. Once the data is installed, it'll bring me back to the terminal window, and now I'm going to want to configure my agent. Now we need to unzip the agent.zip. Cd to the directory in which it was unzipped to, in my case it'll be agent, and run hq agent install space agent.conf agent.conf. It will ask me if I like to install. I will hit yes. And that completes my agent installation. Now all that's left is to start my components, so I'll type in HQ agent. My agent is running. Now I'll type HQ controller. My controller is running. And now I'll type HQ monitor. And my web monitor is running. These can all be configured to run as daemons. Now the default port is 8000, so I'll open up a web browser, navigate to my local IP, :8000. And it'll bring me to a login page. The default username is admin, and the default password is Hux. Once logged in, you can change this yourself. This concludes installing both the HQ system and HQ agent Python eggs on the Linux platform. If you have any questions, please email support@hux-software.com. Thank you.